So we've attended today with the hope of learning some ways that we can reduce teacher workload.
Just to find out ways of making my job easier, more straightforward and more creative.
Our head teacher and myself are both really passionate about well-being, and we thought AI could take some of the strain and do some of the heavy lifting for us.
The job is really quite challenging at times, and I think it's a really good opportunity to just find easier, quicker, simpler ways of doing things for people.
It's certainly exceeded my expectations. Got some fantastic ideas for continuous provision for lessons.
We used the ChatGPT app to create a load of sentence examples based on Alan Peake's structures. So we're going to use those this week to model, show to the children, and then the children can create their own.
There's been plenty of good ideas and things we can take back to the classroom. I particularly like the way you can create types of text to use as models for the children. I think it'll be exciting. I think it's going to take some time, and I think people need to keep their eye on it, and we need to make sure that we are aware of its downfalls as well as its positives.
Planning and preparing the resources and adjusting a whole range of things for lots of different children across the curriculum.
We used the ChatGPT app to create a load of sentence examples linked to the book. So we're going to use those this week to model, show to the children, and then the children can create their own.
I think there's plenty of AI enthusiasts in the school who can take things and run with it.
We're going to be asking teachers in schools to use their English to create model content to deliver different text types in their English lessons.
And certainly the staff who have attended today will go away and have a little think about the lessons that are coming up, the topics that they're going to be teaching in the future.
I've already been looking at ways of writing a song for the children based upon our jungle theme.
The challenge is your own imagination. I think it can be used for everything.